Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to find the best travel credit card on Nerdwallet. Are you looking for a credit card that turns your everyday spending into exciting travel rewards? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Nerdwallet to find the best travel credit cards for your needs, whether you're a casual vacationer or a frequent flyer. This guide will help you to make a smart choice. First, head over to nerdwallet.com and hover over the credit card section in the top navigation menu. From the drop down, you're going to click on travel credit cards. Once you land on the travel card page, you're going to see a list of top picks curated by Nerdwallet's expert. But don't stop there. Use the filter to personalize your search. You can filter by credit score range, travel perks, card issuer, or even specific airlines or hotels. This helps to narrow things down based on, of course, what exactly you care about. Let's say you want a card with no foreign transaction fees and one that earns points on dining and travel. Click those options under the filter menu and the list will instantly update to show only the cards that match. Click on any card to read a full review. Pay close attention to the welcome bonus, annual fees, and ongoing reward rates. These three factors often make the biggest difference in overall value. Here's a tip. If you travel mostly domestically, a general purpose travel card might serve you better than one that's tied to a specific airline. But if you're loyal to one carrier, co-branded cards can offer free checked bags, priority boarding, and of course many more. Don't forget to check the card's benefits section. Some cards offer things like airport lounge access, TSA pre-check reimbursements, or trip insurance, which can really add value if you travel often. And that's all it takes to find your perfect travel credit card with Nerdwallet. It's quick, simple, and totally customized to your travel style. If this helped you out, make sure to check out our other guides on maximizing rewards and managing card benefits. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.